everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be working today with our registration page. And you might wonder why in the world we just didn't put these together. In a second, you're going to see why. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. We do one subject at a time. So we're doing our Django project right now, and what makes Django so powerful is all of the built-in things that are already there for us. And Django already has an awesome registration form. So we need to pull that in, drop that in, and then we're going to do a little bit of HTML, and we'll talk about that a little bit. So all right, what we need to look at first, the very first thing, is we're going to adjust our register function right here in our views. So let's bring this back up. We're going to look at our render function. Takes in our request, context. We need to add a context variable. So we need to do this, and then we're actually going to bring in 1, 2, 3, 4 context. So we do this, and it's a dictionary. So let's get this in here first, context. All right. So now let's bring in the form that Django has for us. So it lives in Django dot contrib dot auth dot forms. All right, you ready? And then here we go. Now this is one of these that it's got 3 words put together, so 3 capitalization. User, then creations, then I believe form. All right, so there we are. Let's scoot this over. We don't need this yet. So when we're going to add one more thing, then we'll come over here. So it's django.contrib.auth.forms import user creations form. So we need to then now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to put this form in here, and you'll see exactly why. Form, then we bring this in, user creations, boom. Then drop this in here, string form. It's a dictionary, right? So key and value form. All right, so this is the start of it. Let's save this. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Let's back out of here. But I just wanted to show you where, why, when, how, why we're using this. I just don't like throwing stuff up and you not knowing where it comes from. So, all right, let's quit. And let's get this running. But yeah, if you are new here, yeah, bringing in all kinds of stuff. What is this saying? And what did I spell wrong? Contrib, auth, forms, creation. Creation. I knew that didn't sound right. Save, and then this should be checking and reloading. Boom. That's the awesome thing about Django and the server. It's running all the time. It's processing, goes, hey, okay, cool. I'm back up and running. All right, so there we go. Bring this down here. Boom. Polling, register. All right. So now let's drop in our HTML, and it's literally this simple. So we're gonna, let's see how much time we are. All right, let's get in the habit of doing this. We'll type this out. So form. Right, and we close this out, and everybody remember form, closing it out, boom. Now this is where it gets a little weird. Actually, we need to put this in here. Okay, it's form, right? See this key value. All right, so we need to talk about post for a second. Method equals, it's all caps, post. This is supposed to be a string. Post. Now, action. Are you changing? And the reason why this stays empty is because you're not changing. You're not doing anything. You're staying on this page. Staying on the registration page. Save. Now check this out. We'll look at it and we'll go back and revisit. Boom. That little bit of code tells Django, go grab this, put this form in here, drop this in here, and here's your registration form. So this is why this didn't go with the other video, because there was already enough in there. So let's revisit. Let's bring this back over here. Let's see if you guys can see. Let's bring this down. There we go. So all right. You got your post, so posting a post, right? You write a post, put this out. You have a get and a request, all right? Then you have post. So inside your form, we're telling HTML, I have a form here. Putting it up, and what actions are you doing? You're staying, here's our form, here's our key, this is where we're getting it, this is our context, this is it, boom, here, and this is where you get the form from. So there you go. That little bit, to me, that part was always easier than actually setting up how you're going to navigate through the pages with the URLs. Ooh, did I save this? Oh, I just moved it over. That's why. Let's just make sure everything is still good. That's it. Boom. Here we go. So this is already there, and then now we need to start using and setting up credentials and how to then check on things. So here we go. Awesome video today. Super great requests. A lot of good work with Django. But please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests, because I know this stuff is getting real tricky real fast. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.